In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cross-platform communication on Overwatch 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The issue of cross-platform communication in Overwatch 2 can happen on various different platforms. So if you are playing on PC or console, you might experience this issue, especially when trying to do matchmake with others and playing together. So in this video, I'm going to showcase many different solutions that might help alleviate this. So first, ensure that you have the latest updates. Both your console and PC versions of Overwatch 2 should be up to date with the latest patches. By running the latest version available, you will be able to get bug fixes and improvements, and of course, make sure that cross-platform works because everyone needs to be on the same version of the game. With this done, the next thing to check is going to be the general settings inside of the game. So before starting a match, go over to settings and access the game play category. Under general, you will be able to find matchmaking, cross-platform play, and network. The most important one is going to be cross-platform play. Make sure that this is enabled and that communication is allowed for all platforms. If this is grayed out, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to change this, but if you are able to switch it to on and it will set to off, make sure that you enable it alongside all communications. Now, as you can see in this example, it's telling us to refer to the Xbox system settings, and it might differ for you depending on the platform that you are on. But basically, you need to make sure that your account is allowed to do cross-platform communications. So for Xbox, you just have to go over to the system settings, and in there, you will be able to access the privacy and safety settings for your account, where you can change the options related to communicating with other consoles and platforms. And by doing this, you will now be allowed to talk and matchmake with other platforms inside of Overwatch 2. So change this setting, and when you go back inside of the game with the same account, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cross-platform communication Overwatch 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.